So right now I'm doing my logbook and I'm going to go over to Aberdeen Highlands. We're loading up some large rock for Adam. And this is kind of a cool job because we're bringing this rock to Monte Lake, and Monte Lake resort, I guess it is, and it burned down in the fire. So there's always been a bit of controversy with people driving too fast through his property, and it's a really dangerous spot for pedestrians to cross. It's on a kind of a blind corner, and then now this place burnt down, and so I guess that now they're going to upgrade it, make it a little safer, hopefully. And we are going there, and we're putting large rock along the shoreline, and I think they could be building a park, or hopefully it's something that we can use. But this could be kind of a monumental thing to build, because I could end up using this spot in future generations with my kids, and yeah, that's awesome. So I'm looking forward to this job. So I'm loading my third load of rock at Aberdeen Highlands right now off JB, and it's been a good day. We had a little bit of adventure on the last round there. We're hauling rock to Adam at one lake, and then we haul some clean fill back to Barnerville Pit. And at Barnerville, it's all muddy in there, so we're trying to get in and dump down where they'd like it, but there's a chance of getting stuck. And sure enough, Steve ended up getting stuck in the mud. It was too soft there, so I had to get the cat, and I got on Black Berry's cat, and, which I've never ran before, but it's fun. So I got an excuse to go play with someone else's toys and drag Steve's truck through the mud.